So, you're thinking about using Spocket to streamline your dropshipping business. But what happens when a customer isn't happy with their purchase? How does Spocket handle returns? Let's dive into that. Understanding Spocket's role in returns. Now, it's important to understand that Spocket isn't a direct retailer. They're a platform that connects you, the online store owner, with suppliers. So, when a customer places an order, you're essentially buying the product from the supplier and then shipping it directly to the customer. The return process, a simplified breakdown. Customer initiates the return. Your customer contacts you to initiate a return. This could be due to a variety of reasons: product defect, wrong item, or simply not liking it. You, the store owner, handle the return. You'll need to guide the customer through the return process, which typically involves providing a return shipping label. You'll also need to coordinate with the supplier to ensure they're aware of the return and can process it. Supplier processes the return. Once the returned product reaches the supplier, they'll inspect it and process the refund or exchange. The specific return policy and process will vary from supplier to supplier. Key points to remember. Supplier policies. Each supplier on Spocket has its own return policy. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these policies before promoting a product. Some suppliers may have stricter return policies than others. Communication is key. Clear communication with both your customer and the supplier is vital. Keep your customer updated on the return process and maintain open lines of communication with the supplier. Shipping costs. In most cases, the customer will be responsible for the return shipping costs. However, some suppliers may offer free return shipping or other flexible return options. Refund or exchange. Once the supplier processes the return, they'll either issue a refund to you or send a replacement product. You'll then need to process the refund or exchange with your customer. Tips for handling returns smoothly. Clear return policy. Have a clear and concise return policy on your store. This will help manage customer expectations and reduce unnecessary returns. Fast response time. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and return requests. Excellent customer service. Provide exceptional customer service throughout the return process. Choose reliable suppliers. Work with suppliers who have good return policies and a reputation for efficient handling of returns. While Spocket doesn't directly handle returns, they provide a platform that allows you to manage them efficiently. By understanding the process and communicating effectively with your customers and suppliers, you can minimize the hassle of returns and maintain a positive customer experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.